Welcome to Mailware Multi-Channel Manager. This section covers email notification. Mailware includes a full email notification system. It's designed primarily for sending out notifications, invoices, statements, backorder notifications, POs, etc. It can also be used for mass emailing, but we don't recommend it because we use your ISP's information directly. Most ISPs have a limit on the number of emails that you can send in a day. Also, the email notification system is primarily text-based, so it's not as pretty as the HTML systems on the web. Fortunately, Mailware includes full export for all of your email addresses or filtering of email addresses to those products like vertical response, constant contact, MailChimp, etc. So you can send out your sales flyers and other notifications through those services very easily. The Mailware system is primarily for things like invoices, so we'll look at that. You would first set up your ISP information. This would be the same information you would typically find in something like Outlook or any other client-side email system. Once you've set that up, which is easy to do, you're done. And you can, if you like, change the data here. This is either edited directly in SQL if you know it, or we have a nice easy editor to use. It's just like our report writer. You add tables above and fields down below. Or you can simply use or edit one of our existing ones. Finally, we do offer that as a service very inexpensively. We can create or edit existing email notifications for you. Then the fun part, this is where you put in the message. You can type whatever you like, including variables, which can be selected from the insert field down below. So, dear John, thank you for your order number is number 1, etc. And then the products listed and totals. You can get a preview of that if you like. In this case, the email notification is asking for a date. And we have one order on that date. Double-click the memo, and you can see what the text email is that goes directly to your customer. That email can also be copied automatically to the customer contact log, which we cover in the customer management tutorial. So that when the customer calls, you can open up their contact log and see the exact email and the date that it went out and read it to them if you like. We also store it in the database so it can be pulled up in reports. So you have full records of emails that went. When you're ready to send, you can select any item, click send. If it prompts you, enter in the appropriate information, and then click the send button when you're ready. Mailware will keep track if there's any errors so that you can follow those up with a phone call or hard copy or another email. And we'll again record in the database, and these are accessible through reports, whether those successfully sent or not, and finally log it again in the contact log. So you have full control over the email sending out and knowing where they went. You can also send statements, shipping notifications with clickable tracking numbers, backorder notifications, POs to your vendors. There's quite a list of things that you can email through this system. And that covers the email notification system in Mailware Multi-Channel Manager.